Intertidal zone. Here we go. The intertidal zone is the area between the high and low tides. It's the foreshore and seabed, which is exposed to air. It doesn't really have a specific latitude because it's all around the world. It can be the Arctic, the tropic, anything in between that has a coast. And then the temperatures are varying because of this, and there are varieties of plants and animal life. The abiotic, the temperatures are varying as I just explained. The elevation is only a few feet above or below sea level. Sunlight per day is basically varying because it's all around the world. It gets different amounts of light. Here's a graph of the high and low tides. The greenhouse effect is a process when photons of light get stuck underneath the Earth's atmospheric gases. There's a picture of that. Here's the biotic. The producers include wood, leaves, plankton, herbivores, clams, sea urchins. A few carnivores include mollusks and crabs, omnivores include hermit crabs and shrimp. Tetrivores are snails and brittle stars. There's a picture of a sea urchin and a picture of a sea anemone. Here we go, mutualism. Clownfish live near anemones. Anemones help scrape away the stuff stuck to them. Eggs are laid within the snails, and the snails, if the eggs are hatched within them, the snails can die because it eats inside. The surf grass needs the plants to stay anchored. Okay, so here's a energy pyramid, and energy is lost from heat. Okay, so we affect the tidal zone because when we pollute and stuff, that is affected right on the coast. That's where it's affected. And if we took away water, the shoreline would recede, and that's when my animals in this zone would die. Okay, and it's not very biologically diverse in this area. So if a disaster would occur, a lot of the animals would die. Same with the plants. So how are you affected in the tidal zones? Hopefully we all do our part to keep them safe and keep them well. So here's the works cited, and that's my Prezi.